In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a presentation using PowerPoint 2016. Whether you're preparing for a big business meeting or a classroom presentation, making sure your slides look sharp and professional is key to conveying your message effectively. So let's dive into the steps to transform your presentation into a polished and visually appealing masterpiece. First things first, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, ensure you have the Office suite set up and ready to go. Once PowerPoint is open, locate your existing presentation file. If you're starting from scratch, you can open a new blank presentation. But for today, let's assume you're enhancing a current presentation. Now that you have your presentation open, navigate to the slide you wish to format. Simply clicking on the slide in the left-hand side pane is usually the easiest way to select it. Here we're going to play around with the background to give your slide a fresh and exciting look. With your slide selected, right click anywhere on the slide itself. A pop-up menu will appear presenting you with several options. From this menu select Format Background. This menu is your gateway to customizing the look of your slide. So let's explore the options here. At this point you'll be greeted with a Format Background pane on the right side of the screen. Here you have a variety of options you can choose from to enhance the visual appeal of your slide. You can fill your slide with a solid color, which is great if you're going for a clean minimalist look. Alternatively, you might opt for a gradient fill to add a touch of sophistication and depth. Another exciting option is to use a picture or texture fill. You can choose a picture from your computer, which is perfect for branding with a company logo or a themed image that aligns with your topic. Textures can offer a unique tactile appeal to the slide's appearance. If you're feeling creative, you can also experiment with pattern fills. This option allows you to select from a wide range of patterns, combining colors to create a bespoke design that stands out. Lastly, don't forget about transparency. Adjusting the transparency level can help soften the background, making your text more readable while still providing that pop of visual interest. Remember, the key to great slide formatting is to make sure the background complements your content without overwhelming it. Always aim for balance and clarity. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to format your PowerPoint slides to create a presentation that's not only informative but also eye-catching and professional. Happy presenting!